Hey everyone, welcome to another inspiring episode here on Ali Trainings Official. Today we're diving into the incredible journey of one of the most talented and admired young stars of this generation, Olivia Rodrigo. Now, if you're someone who's passionate about success stories, dreams that become reality, and how one can go from being unknown to a global superstar, then you're in the right place. Let me tell you something. Olivia's story is one for the books. It's the kind of story that reminds us that anything is possible if you have the passion, the drive, and the willingness to keep pushing through no matter what. So, grab a seat, and let's take a closer look at how Olivia Rodrigo, a young girl from California, transformed herself into a worldwide sensation. Olivia Isabel Rodrigo was born on February 20th, 2003, in Temecula, California. You might be thinking, okay, another child star from California. What's so special about her? Well, this is where the story gets exciting. Olivia's breakthrough didn't come overnight, and it certainly wasn't handed to her on a silver platter. Like many others, she started small, with a love for acting and music. But she didn't just dream about fame, she worked for it. She knew that success wasn't just about being in the spotlight. It was about putting in the work and building something meaningful. Olivia's first taste of fame came when she was just 12 years old, when she landed a role on the Disney Channel show Bizaardvark. She played the role of Paige Olvera, a talented teenage songwriter and musician, and while the show itself was fun and lighthearted, Olivia was building her own foundation for what was to come. She wasn't just there for the ride, she was honing her craft, soaking up every ounce of knowledge about the entertainment industry and learning the art of storytelling. But little did she know this was only the beginning. Fast forward a couple of years, and we're in 2021, when Olivia made a decision that would completely change the course of her career. She released a song titled "Driver's License" that took the world by storm. This song wasn't just another pop tune, it was a raw, emotional masterpiece that resonated with millions of people. The vulnerability in Olivia's voice and the pain in her lyrics connected with so many who have gone through heartbreak or difficult times in relationships. It's an anthem of empowerment, growth, and moving on. And when the song hit #1 on the Billboard Hot 100, it was clear. Olivia Rodrigo wasn't just another pop star. She was a force to be reckoned with. But let me tell you, this didn't happen by chance. Olivia worked tirelessly on her music and poured her heart into every lyric, every note. She didn't take the easy route or follow what was trendy. She followed her own voice, her own truth. And that's something you and I can all learn from. If you want to be truly successful, you've got to be authentic. You've got to stand for something that's true to you, even if it's not popular at first. Because when you stay true to your journey, the world will take notice. And then came Olivia's debut album, Sour. This was the moment when the world realized that Olivia Rodrigo wasn't just a one-hit wonder. Sour was an album filled with powerful emotions, catchy beats, and a perfect blend of vulnerability and strength. Every track was a glimpse into her soul, a journey through her personal struggles, triumphs, and lessons learned along the way. Songs like Good For You and Deja Vu became anthems for people who had experienced their own ups and downs in life. But you know what's even more remarkable about Olivia's rise? The way she stayed grounded. Despite the fame, the record-breaking achievements, and the adoration of millions, Olivia has managed to stay humble and focused. She hasn't let the noise of the world drown out her passion or change who she is. She still remains dedicated to creating art that speaks to her heart, and that's what makes her so relatable to so many people. She's a role model for all of us, showing us that it's okay to be authentic, it's okay to feel, and it's okay to go after your dreams no matter how young or old you are. But let's pause for a second. Think about where you are in your own life. Maybe you're struggling to find your way. Maybe you're feeling stuck, or perhaps you're at the beginning of your journey like Olivia was. Whatever the case may be, just remember, success takes time. Olivia didn't become a star overnight, and neither will you. But with passion, dedication, and the willingness to take risks, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Olivia's story isn't just one of fame and fortune. It's a story of resilience. It's a story of a young girl who faced rejection, who faced struggles and who faced doubts yet continued to push forward. She reminds us that our challenges don't define us, they refine us. It's what we do with those challenges that truly matters. So as you move forward in your own life, think about Olivia's journey. Think about the moments of doubt, the times when things seemed impossible. And remember, every great success story has its struggles. Keep going, keep believing in yourself, and remember that success is a journey, not a destination. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this final thought. Olivia Rodrigo's story isn't just about music and fame. It's about courage. It's about staying true to yourself and never giving up on what you love. So no matter where you are in your journey, remember to stay true to yourself. And don't let anyone's doubts stop you from reaching for your dreams. And if you're inspired by Olivia's incredible journey and want to hear more motivational stories like this, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel, Ali Trainings Official. We're here to inspire you to chase your dreams, and we've got so much more coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.